If you're anything like me, you've spent a lot of time configuring your microphone settings in OBS to get them tailored to perfection. And you've probably also been frustrated with the fact that you can't use the same perfect audio in other programs that you use your microphone, like Discord. Luckily, the solution to that problem requires just a single piece of free, lightweight software and a few minor settings changes in OBS. Let's take a look. Just a note, this tutorial is going to be focused at installation and configuration for Windows 10. The configuration process for other versions of Windows should be similar, but not all of the names and navigation steps may be the same. The first thing you'll need to do is head to vbaudio.com/cable. This is a free, lightweight virtual audio device that allows you to connect audio playback and recording devices within your PC. There are options available for up to 4 virtual audio cables, but for today's purpose you'll only need one. Go ahead and download the VBCable driver pack zip file. Next, navigate to where you downloaded the zip file, extract it, and open the folder that you extracted. There will be 2 setup programs available, VBCable Setup and VBCable Setup x64. Unless you're running a really old PC, you probably have a 64-bit version of Windows, so go ahead and launch the x64 setup. Run through the setup process using the default options. I'm only being given the option to remove the driver since I already have it installed, but you shouldn't need to make any changes to the standard configuration unless there's something weirdly particular about your system. Once it's installed, reboot your computer if prompted. Now, check to make sure it's installed. Right-click on the volume icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Select the Playback tab and scroll down until you see Cable Input and make sure it shows Ready. If for some reason it shows as disabled, right-click it and select Enable from the menu. Next, click on the Recording tab at the top and scroll down again until you see Cable Output. Like you did in the last tab, make sure that it shows Ready. Now you can close out of the Sounds menu. Navigate to OBS Studio. There are a couple options that you're going to need to change to ensure that your microphone audio is routed correctly, but that your desktop audio doesn't go with it. First, click the cog icon in the audio mixer below your microphone and select Advanced Audio Properties. Under Audio Monitoring option for your microphone, select Monitor and Output from the drop-down menu. Now, close the Advanced Audio Properties window. Next, open the OBS settings. On the left side, select Audio. You should now see an option for Monitoring Device under the Advanced subheading. Select Cable Input and ensure that Disable Windows Audio Ducking is checked. Click Apply, then OK. Now you officially have your microphone audio routed out of OBS and it's ready to go wherever you need it. If, for example, you wanted to route it to Discord, you just need to launch Discord. From the User Settings menu, select Voice and Video from the App Settings section. Under Input Device, select Cable Output. You can go ahead and use Discord's built-in test to ensure that it's picked up correctly. If you're having issues with the microphone crackling in Discord, head back to the sound program from earlier. Under the Recording tab, right-click the Cable Output and select Properties. Under the Advanced tab, change the default format to 2-channel, 16-bit, 4800 Hz. That should eliminate any crackling or distortion issues with Discord specifically. Now you're good to go. You'll need to leave OBS open for this to work, and to select Cable Output as the microphone device on any other programs that you'll want to route audio to. Hopefully this tutorial helps you to get the same great audio you've configured in OBS anywhere else you might need it.